Discover Dominica as she stands tall in her beauty, the jewel and the nature isle of the Caribbean. Welcome to Cable Car Dominica, an amazing tourism project which will truly make Dominica a go-to destination, attracting tourists from around the world. The country is building the world's longest detachable mono cable car. 4.1 mile long, it will be a Guinness World Record upon completion. With Cable Car Dominica, one will immerse in nature whilst traveling through the lush tropical rainforest, passing Trafalgar Falls and other amazing attractions, reaching the world's second largest boiling lake. Just like the entire structure, the bottom station will also be completely climate resilient. It will have 24-hour electricity availability and an automatic generator facility in case of an emergency. The bottom station will be accessible through roads, benefiting individuals and companies such as ground transport operators, food chain suppliers, restaurants, and others. The facility will have ample parking space for vehicles. It will also have a kiosk and pre-area. The bottom station will have a food court with local and international cuisines with Caribbean fusion. Ticket office and station entrance. The discreetly built cable car will have sizable benefits, including job creation in the construction, hospitality, and tourism sector. It will not only provide direct employment during and after construction, but will also generate passive employment such as rise in taxi drivers, vendors, restaurant workers, sanitation employees, tour guides, and many others. Inside the bottom and top station, there will be a ventilated lounge and boarding area. Dominica has 365 rivers and also the world's second largest boiling lake. With the cable car, the passengers will be able to see the beautiful scenic views from the clouds. It will pass on the top of the famous Trafalgar Falls, offering enchanting views of water cascading down the rift. Individuals can also see the deep and rugged river gorges and canyoning, which will provide passengers with stunning scenery. The cable car will also pass over the famous suspension bridge of Dominica. The cable car will cut through from the clouds in its way to the destination. There is no better way to experience the nature isle than by watching the scenery of the Horseback Ridge and crossing Nichols Ridge and taking back unforgettable memories. During the journey from the bottom station to the top station, passengers will also witness Nichols Viewpoint and the Valley of Desolation. Before reaching the top station, it will pass over the world's second largest boiling lake. Around 200 feet wide and its depth unknown, the lake is enveloped by swirling clouds of vapor and resembles a cauldron of furiously bubbling grayish-blue water superheated from the molten magma below the surface of the surrounding rock. After the mesmerizing 20 minutes journey, the passengers will reach the top station, located just a few meters away from the boiling lake. The passengers can enjoy the beauty of Nature Isle while savoring the delicious Dominican and other Caribbean cuisines at the restaurants and food courts built on the top station with an open terrace dining experience. There will be a platform built on the top of the mountain so that people can see and watch extraordinary beautiful country rich with natural assets, tropical forests, and waterfalls. On the top station, a statue of the national Cicerus parrot, also known as the Amazon in Perils, will become a prime location for photography. The feasibility report findings showed that the tourism and hospitality industry will experience a triple-fold increase after the completion of the cable car project. It will become a prime tourist attraction for cruise ship travelers, long-haul travelers, and others. Dominica is a one-of-a-kind place in the world. It is as beautiful as the Garden of Eden, and cable car project takes you on a journey to heaven.